Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am here with the third and last part of the haul with papers from Mintay Papers. So the third collection that I told you I bought, it's called Grandma's Attic, and it's not the complete collection because I thought that these colors and styles suit very much two of my favorite old collection from which I have still one for me, one copy for me called Old Manor and Life Stories. And so I only bought the decorations and the 6x8 pad. This is how the 6x8 pad looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. A lot of lace patterns and intricate patterns, lovely colors, and yeah, I think they will be extremely well suited. As actually I will show you very soon how well these colors and this pad, for example, suits the colors in the two collections I mentioned before. And yeah, this held a very cool surprise for us, this specific page, because all the writing on these postcards is in Swedish. And not only that, but uh, the address is from Småland, which is a region in Sweden, which is in the southern part of Sweden, and this is where my husband comes from. So it's really it was really a cool surprise and coincidence, of course. So this is how it looks, and I love this page. This page, when I saw these tickets, that also raised memories with me because my grandfather from my mother's side, he worked at a bank and he had to make a lot of field trips, um, and of course he had to keep the train tickets to show to the bank, to motivate his absence from the bank, so to say. And after he actually got them back from the bank, he continued continued keeping them. And me and my sister, we used them to play. We also had a red phone in Bakelit, and we were playing, like the train station scenario where one was I was either me or her was selling the train tickets, and the other one was buying, and of course we were taking phone calls to book all kind of trips via the phone. It was, yeah, amazing seeing these tickets and all these other elements. They look absolutely gorgeous. I love the style. I love the grunge vintage style, and I can't wait to use this collection together with those collection that I showed you. So this is the chipboard sticker sheet. I love that light bulb used as a body for a butterfly, and I love all the sayings, all the sentiments, and I can't wait to use them. I don't know what I will do, if I will do a family album with those collections, because I already made a family album, but I guess the second one never hurts. And this is how the ephemera pack looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, many clocks, many florals, many light bulbs, and all other types of decorations like key latches. You can see here tickets, bingo tickets, butterflies, of course. Yeah, absolutely adorable. Um, and again, it makes me feel very good when I see it, and it excites me to start using it. And now I will show you, like I said, for you to see how perfectly suited, matched the styles are and the colors. So I don't think I made a mistake in not buying the whole collection of Grandma's Attic, but just the decorative part. And this is the live stories. Again, you can see basically they are the same colors. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Did I do a good thing buying, trying to match these collections together? And yeah, I for this specific album, whatever I will do with it, but not only for this, for others as well. I bought this sticker sheet as well with sentiments, which says, you know, friends and family gather here forever and always, family, love, hope. So this would be good for wedding albums as well. You will forever be my always. Love knows no limits. So for family and wedding, I would say albums are very, very good. Ah, yes, and I also bought, but obviously not from Mintay, but from Pepco store. They bring constantly napkins, and I've always loved having napkins to match with the season, to uh, with every holiday. So they had these lovely ones. This is for autumn, or at least that's what I felt, and I couldn't resist. And they also had this one, which are more summery, but it's a different format, as you can see. It's 44 by 33, whereas the other ones are 33 by 33. And I liked it very much. Well, that's all I had to show you for today. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to leave a comment and so on. See you soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.